Here is the load here. Get an overview here. What's up, guys? We are on the way to go pick up an awesome video game collection. So I gotta fork out some money for it, but it's definitely gonna be worth it. Hopefully I could at least about double up. So let's go get it. I'm not gonna film me and the person interacting because, you know, it's a private deal and I just don't want to put them on camera because they don't know about the channel or anything. But let's go get it. What's up, guys? Just getting back from that deal. I spent a total of $600 on all this video game stuff. Seems like a lot, but there's definitely some gems in here, some really good games, stuff that just flies off the eBay store, man. Good old Nintendo stuff. Don't take long to sell, and should get my money back fairly easy. Here is the load here. Get an overview here. And I guess we'll just go box to box. I just want to do this out here so I can just separate it and put it in the garage how I want right now. Just how we got to do it. I guess we'll just go through this box first. Alright. I think she said all these games were in like little cases in here. They're just mostly garbage DS games. Scooby-Doo might be good. Some of the Scooby-Doo games on some of the systems do really well. Got an N64 console, so there's some N64 games in here. We got a Super Nintendo, a little beat up, but at least the power thing on the back's in good condition. There's my phone. We got a Game Boy Advance here. It's missing the battery cover. Then we got PSP, which I didn't even notice in the picture. It's missing a joystick, but other than that, it's in decent shape, so that shouldn't be no big deal to order. Got a Nintendo DS. There's a, let's see, SpongeBob game in there. Power pack. Trimmer pack for the 64. Guitar Hero thing for a DS. Let's get these cases out of here. Got PSP Off-Road Fury, which is not in there. Sorry, guys. I'm a little unprepared here. Midway Arcade Treasures. I'm sure that probably goes for at least 20 bucks. We got a Game Boy Color, teal, missing a battery cover as well. Let's see if there's any good games in here. They're all pickles. Not really sure if that is. Sims. Nothing there. Broken Sword, Shadow of the Templars. I never heard of that one. That could be something. Oh, Zelda Minish Cap. That's a good, nice surprise. Didn't know that was in here. Sims. Quest for Camelot. That might be worth something, not sure. Let's Be a Millionaire. Harvest Moon. Got Galaga. Mickey's Ultimate Challenge. That's it for that box. It was an yeah, nice surprise on the Zelda game. We're definitely have to look into these two. Alright guys, let's go through this Wii bundle here. We got a bunch of games. I don't think there was a Wii console that I know of. I'm pretty sure there wasn't. Madden 08. Oh, just a heads up. I looked up Broken Sword, that wasn't worth nothing. And Quest for Camelot wasn't worth nothing either. Got Mario Party 8, which that should probably be about 30 bucks. Got a bunch of Just Dance games. Got Just Dance 2, SpongeBob, Wii Fit, Mario Kart. We got a Super Mario History Disc, Littlest Pet Shop. Big Brain Academy, Mini Golf, Punch Out. If you didn't know, this game has spiked pretty good right now. It's like $40 to $50 game right now, and I have it, so it should be an easy flip. Kids Sports Basketball, which I don't think I've ever seen before. Rapala, Wii Fish, American Idol, Wii Sports Resort, Easy Money, U-Draw, American Idol, Bowling, London Taxi Rush Hour. I've never seen that one either. My Sims, Wii Cheer 2. Oh boy. Carnival Games, Just Dance 4. I'm gonna lot all these Just Dance games up and should make some money. Just Dance 3, Disney Sing It, Pictionary, Wii Fit Plus, Pets, Crazy Monkeys, Twilight Seen It, and there's some Wii garbage down there. Oh, that's a nice surprise. Animal Crossing memory card, which I got that game, so that's awesome. We got the Rapala fishing thing. Got a Wiimote, that'll work. U-Draw pads, Nerf junk. What else we got? Nunchuck. A little bit of stuff in there. I usually. Alright, we got them Wii games loaded in here. I just seen some that were in here. Just Dance 2014. Game Party. Shrek's Carnival Craze. All-Star Cheer Squad. Active. Damn, I had a ton of Pirates Hunt for Blackbeard's Booty. Pop Star Guitar. Some of these like goofy ones could be worth money. I don't know. There's just Super Mario All Stars that that bonus disc goes to. Then we got Jeep Thrills here. Is that another game? High School Musical. A lot of Wii games. All right, let's get to some good stuff, guys. Let's get to that good stuff. That good. Alright. Hold on, we got another Wii game. Dance Dance Revolution. Alright, we got some GameCube here. We got Luigi's Mansion. I think that's complete. NBA Live. Mario Party 6, which that's complete in good condition. That's like $70, $80 game. That's crazy. Animal Crossing, which we do have the memory card that we found. So I'd say this is about a $70 game. By the time this video comes out, this stuff's probably sold, so hopefully I got some solds up for you guys. Monkey Ball 2. Mario Party 4, that one was missing the manual. Zelda Wind Waker, that's complete. Spider-Man 2. We got a Barnyard for GameCube. Nemo. A couple PSP games. Sims 2. Vice City Stories, which I think was in the PSP. So definitely some great GameCube stuff there. Alright guys, let's get some N64 stuff here. Got a red controller. Got a gray controller, nice stick, memory card. It's had a Wii charger. Got 007. Top Gear Rally. Nice Zelda Collector's Edition. Nice and clean. Rugrats. Wale Country Club Golf. Toy Story 2. Madden. NASCAR 99. NBA In the Zone 98. Alright, we got Mario Party 2, which is a good one. And Mario 64. I seen this earlier. A bonus. We got Zelda Oracle of Ages for the Game Boy. I think that's it for that box. But this was stuff I didn't know I was getting. Got some manuals. We got Mega Man 64, which we didn't get the game. She said she probably has it somewhere in the house. And she said she probably had some old regular Nintendo stuff. Alright, we got Majora's Mask. Awesome Super Nintendo Secrets 3, which is cool to get stuff like that. We got the Ocarina of Time manual. Thrillville PlayStation. PSP. Madden 64. In the Zone. Paperwork. Toy Story manual. It's great to have these manuals to put with the games. It definitely helps sell them. Bugs Life. You can get a little bit more money. Some more paperwork. What else we got in here? Oh yeah, I forgot this was in the deal too. Got an iPad. It's a 32 gigabyte. Not sure how old this is or if it even works. I know some of the old ones you can't even get apps on, which is annoying. But I would say that's at least 50 bucks. I got a NASCAR 99, GoldenEye, Super Mario. Feels like it's missing pages though. Link to the Past game secrets. And I think that's about it. Oh, Oracle of Seasons, so she had ages, but I didn't see seasons. Hopefully she finds some more of that stuff. That'd be nice. So yeah, really cool to get all them manuals. They will definitely help sell with the games. And we're gonna get here to probably the best box here, the Super Nintendo stuff. All right, we got a Wii Fit board, which I usually pitch them. I don't care. I can't stand them things. They get on my nerves. Got a High School Musical 3 dance pad. I don't know if that's worth anything. Got a Konami pad here. Might be for PS2. And another Disney High School pad. Not sure if them. I'm sure they're worth something, but let's get into this box. Here's the GameCube. Let's see if we had any games in here. Sims 2 Pets. That was a little bonus, I guess. Controllers here. Black GameCube controller. Hopefully it works. It's missing the cover on the joystick. 2 Super Nintendo controllers. A blue nunchuck for the Wii. Sorry guys. Power cord for the Super Nintendo. Microphone. Maybe I can sell that one of the Mario parties. Got a Platinum GameCube controller. These sell good, man. These can sell for 40-45 bucks. I'm gonna have to clean it up a little bit. Alright, let's get into these Super Nintendo games, guys. There's some decent ones in here. We got Lord of the Rings. We got a Super Game Boy, which had Tom and Jerry in it. Got Donkey Kong Country. Illusion of Gaia. Got Young Merlin. Seems like she definitely liked her RPGs on the Super Nintendo. Super Mario All-Stars, Street Fighter 2, Championship Pool. Every time I've gotten it, it's been really rough condition, but that one's nice. These games are decently clean, which is good. Lufia and the Fortress of Doom. That's a good one. Got Mystic Quest, Final Fantasy, Secret of Mana. We got Bugs Bunny, Rabbit Rampage, Porky Pig's Haunted Holiday, Super Mario World, good shape. Zelda Link to the Past. I got some 2 extra boxes for this game, so I'm definitely gonna sell that now. And the best one of the bunch, we got Soul Blazer. This game can go for about 100 to 125 bucks right now, so definitely a good score. So yeah, guys, I picked all that stuff up for 600 bucks. I think I did pretty good. What do you guys think? I think I'll definitely make $400 or $500 at least, but we will see. Hopefully I get a lot of solds I can show you in this video by the time it comes out, because I got a few videos that are gonna be coming out before this one. So I'm pretty happy with the haul. It's been a while since I got a decent video game haul like that. So thanks for watching. I am freezing. I'm getting the hell out and going in the house. Peace.